Okay, I'm at the car wash. I'm gonna try to wash out all this freaking mud and crap that's under the chassis. And if I can, I'm gonna toast some of this shit out.